Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover on your TikTok video. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open TikTok app. Then click the plus button at the bottom. Then record a video. Then on your right, click where it's written voiceover. Then record anything you want. Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. After that, save. Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.